Greetings, Mark Brown here. If you open your Microsoft Word document, you see a grid over the page. I just don't know how to get rid of it. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. All right? If you notice this particular grid, every time you come, you see it, you just don't know how to get rid of it. Right here. And it kind of really annoying for you. To get rid of this particular grid, the one thing you have to do is come right up here. Notice these are the tabs. So you come all the way down to the view tab. You're going to click on the view tab. Now, when you click on the view tab, definitely what you will see definitely when you click on the view tab, you notice it's a grid, just uncheck it like that. Click on it and uncheck it. You notice when you uncheck it, it's gone. But if you come back here, click it back. Notice you come back, just come right here, and you uncheck it just like that. So this is where you actually move the grid line from your Microsoft Word document. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.